needed my warm water, lemon, and honey. Got a question for you out there in La La Land. When you go on a cleanse and you're not drinking, why am I losing my voice? Okay. God, that candle smells good. So my idol, my man crush Monday, Nick Dio Giovanni, he just goes, oh, walks in all black and goes, bam, right? Oh. He's like the world's youngest chef or something. He's very handsome. He's straight, so don't give me any shade. And hopefully he's not a homophobe. Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Bobby Boyd Living. I'm gonna be like Regis Philbin with all of my drinks. So I really did go on a little cleanse. By cleanse, I just don't do the carbs, really. She said, what? Liars! Liars! So I'm gonna do a little, I've been doing this at night. I literally went to dinner parties this week. And I bring this with me. Is that rude? Like they were trying to give me champagne last night and I poured this in the champagne glass. They looked at me like I was an alien. I'm like, not drinking, right? I'm cleansing my soul and my mind. My liver is saying, thank you. On to bigger and better things. We are gonna pay, what is it, homage again? Whatever, to my other man crush, Josh Elkin. He comes up with some of the best recipes, and so he takes this little potato, this little guy, Mr. Potato Head, do. And
actually, it's not Mr. Potato Head anymore.
What happened? He got canceled too?
They dropped the Mr.
No, it's just Potato Head? Okay, so it's just Potato Head. He makes it a fun way to do, like, you know, when you go to the little sports bars or whatever you do when you watch your soccer, football stuff. And you make, you know, like a little, I don't even know what he calls it, but it's like a potato skin, you know, without all of the work. So, first, and you're going to poke some holes in your potato. So you take this, you put this in your microwave for 5 minutes. All right, so, oh yeah. Maybe someone could teach me how to dance. Ooh, ooh, twerk it for a Birkin, twerk it for a Birkin. You lose your mind when you give up tequila. Come on, let's get the crisp. Snap, okay. Perfect, I like it black. Yeah. Yeah. There is such thing as too crispy. So you're supposed to let them cool so you don't burn your little paws, right? All right, so let's cut it in half. All right. These need to cool down a little bit because you're gonna scoop them out with a spoon. But in the meantime, go over to the the chive tree. I'm just gonna do a little chop. Gorgeous. Gonna cut your cheese. There we go. Making a little indentation. And you know what we could do with this after this? We could put a little heavy cream in it and make mashed taters. All right, that's what we're gonna do. We're going to now take a little olive oil and drizzle it. So a little Come on. What did they? It's like an olive oil boat. Listen. So you open this up, your little air fryer. Now you place them in the air fryer. Bam. Our little potato boats. In your air fryer, 400 degrees for 10 minutes. This is so good. Nice, look at that. Nice little crisp. A little something for the homies. Ooh. This is gonna be good. I can live off of this kind of food. Look at this. You know this is gonna be good. Now, I go back in for 2 minutes. Oh! All right. Do you like a lot of sour cream or a little?
Me, personally?
Yeah.
Not a lot.
Well, that one has a lot. Boop. This is chive bay. Okay. Now we add your tiny bacon bits. This is a happy little family. and you can't tell me no different. Taste test time. This is one of those recipes though, Jason. We already know what it's gonna taste like. I'm sorry. Am I in TGI Fridays? America and Josh Elkin. This is good. Don't burn your bacon like I did. Moment on the lips, lifetime on the hips. Josh Elkin, 10 out of 10, bro. Maybe next time we could share a Stella together and a little air fryer bite, you know what I mean? So, all right, kids. If you enjoyed yourself, please hit the like button. It actually does help out, make a difference. And comment, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications. So when you see the next recipe comes out, or when the apron drops in your lap, you know, the shit fuck damn apron coming out. Other than that, I enjoyed you. I appreciate you. I love ya mucho. And that's my work. My work is done for the day. So I will see you next time. Love you mucho. Bye.